So before actually going into the Starbucks building, we have to line up and actually receive a ticket from this building here next door. Lining up is actually free, so there's nothing to worry about. It's just a reservation for getting into the actual building itself. So just out the front of the Starbucks building, we have the famous NakaMeguro waterway. And alongside the waterway is lined with cherry blossom trees, so during cherry blossom season in April, it's very beautiful. And to get into the building, you receive that little ticket from that building next door. On there is a QR code. If you scan it using your phone, it actually takes you to an application to show you your position, and it lets you know when you're called. Finally, after 2 hours of waiting, we have actually made it inside the main building. Here you can see the main bar. That big golden cylinder with the big R on it is the main roaster. After ordering your drinks and your food, you're given a little black buzzer that you carry around, and you can take a look at the first floor while waiting for your drinks and food to be made. Once it's ready, the buzzer will go off and you can head back to the bar to pick it up. On the first floor, there is also a gift shop with clothes and all sorts of bits and bobs, and as well as a bakery. Just to the right side there, you can see the kitchen for the bakery. They make the bread fresh and all of the sandwiches and everything fresh in that little glass cage. And here we have the main roaster. As you can see, it's currently roasting some coffee beans. And here is the famous ticker. And located underneath the ticker is a coffee selection bar where you can choose your own coffee beans and take it home. Now after about 5 to about 8 minutes of exploring, our buzzer goes off. So in our case, we went for the barrel-aged whiskey cold brew, as well as the Melrose Tokyo. So as you can see here next to the roaster, we have the leaf-like suspended little things. Those are actually handcrafted with a hammer by everybody involved in the making of the Tokyo Roastery. They were designed to represent the cherry blossoms out the front. Tokyo Roastery has many great features like that, such as the mug wall, which is great for Instagram selfies, and the skylight right up the top. Also, being the Reserve Roastery, it gives you opportunity to see inside the actual roaster itself, which provides all of the beans for all of the Starbucks around Tokyo. And here you can see the packaging line for all of the roasted beans, fresh out of the Tokyo Reserve Roastery. If you want to enjoy it even more fresh, you can enjoy it here at the Tokyo Reserve Roastery. Tokyo Reserve Roastery really loves their roasters. Here on the 3rd floor, you can actually see a miniature version of the roaster itself. And of course, being the Reserve Roastery, you can see the roasting process from scratch.